and welcome once again to our YouTube channel. And remember, here we drop the latest info on airdrops and put you through how to be a part of them. And if you're new to our channel, welcome and kindly hit the bell button to subscribe and also like this video. Today we'll have another hot airdrop that we're going to be talking about, and I'll put you through how to do this airdrop, and it is called MarginFi, and we're going to be looking at how we can do it. And first and foremost, I'd like to tell you what MarginFi is all about. MarginFi is a decentralized lending protocol that provides a safe and reliable solution for users looking to access leverage and maximize capital. It allows you to lend tokens and earn interest. It also allows you to borrow tokens using tokens you've learned as collateral. And you earn points in MarginFi by lending, and you also earn points by borrowing against the collateral that you lended. Yes, and then you also earn points by referring people. So you earn points, 10% of the points that these people have already earned. So I'm going to take you how to do this. And to do this airdrop, you need a Solana Phantom wallet. So if you do not have one, download and set up your Solana Phantom wallet or extension. Then fund your wallet with Sol and go to the link in the description box. Just click on the link and it's going to take you on this page on my screen. Let's get to it. Next, just right here, you connect your wallet. You can see my wallet is already connected. Next, we're going to learn to earn a point. So I'm going to click on learn and I'm going to select a token. I'll use Sol. You can use any other token of your choice, but I'll use Sol. And I'm going to be lending 0.01 Sol. So I'll click on this. We're doing transaction has been completed, as you can see. And the next is that we're going to go ahead and borrow. Alright. So you just go ahead and click on the borrow. Let's say we want to borrow MSOL. We click on MSOL, click on the borrow, and we enter the amount of MSOL we want to borrow. And always know that you should borrow less than the amount you lended, because the SOL you lended is being used as a collateral, right? Okay, so we're going to borrow 0.04 SOL and use that. Okay, and that has gone. So we are done lending and borrowing. We're done lending and borrowing. Remember to click on the referral, copy your referral link, and copy your referral link, share with your contact so you can earn more points in your MarginFi airdrop and also qualify for it. And that is it for MarginFi airdrop. Very simple and straight to the point. Just go on and do your tasks. And remember that the more you borrow and the more you lend, the more you accumulate points for your MarginFi airdrop. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful enough to help put you through how to go about the MarginFi airdrop. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next airdrop.